Dongbek Island is one of my favorite fishing points. Dongbek means camellias in English, and you could probably find these flowers in early spring. In daytime, it is a bit difficult to catch fishes in this area, but when the time's right, you will catch as many as you cast. As it gets darker, we could expect a bigger sizes. But I guess it is not the time yet.
어이가 없죠?
It was a type of gnome fish. Actually, it depends on species. It could actually grows up to 1.5 meters, but it was so small, so I guess I should let it go. Somehow, my friend caught flathead while he was trying to catch squid.
상당히 큰데? 야! 다운샷 해 그냥. 당황스러운데? 이 안에 애기 어떻게 꺼내지? 보세요. 아 해. 이 안에 애기 들어있어. 애기. 나온다.
When it's dark, it is the best time to catch in midsummer to late fall season in this area. Usually after 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. or more is the best time.
친다. 으야. 전갱.
It's simply one cast and just one fish.
오, 좋아. 얘 좀 사이즈가 괜찮은 것 같아. Not bad.
Japanese mackerel is very delicious fish. You can make it grilled, fish over rice, or it can be a great sashimi if it is very fresh.
오케이. 1타 1피다 완전히. 우후. 사이즈 굿.